Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best wire strippers that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 10 Best Wire Strippers. There are two basic categories of wire strippers: the manual and the compound automatic. The manual tool is similar to a cutter with two scissor-like jaws and features a row of different gauge notches. To use, simply slot the wire into the corresponding notch, close the jaws and pull off the insulation. The compound automatic version uses a series of clever mechanisms. Number 10. 2 pieces wire twisting tools, wire stripper and twister. The stripping twisting tool works with electric drills. This tool can twist and wrap the wire at the same time. Work efficiency, prevent hurting your fingers and relieve. Main features: durable material, easy to use, increase productivity. Number 9. Mulwark 8 inches heavy-duty multi-purpose electrical wire stripping tool. This electrical crimping tool could be applied to crimping both insulated and non-insulated terminals, wire rope sleeve butt connector and close-end wire connector. Main features: lifetime warranty, heavy duty, strips and cuts wires. Number 8. Coax Cable Crimper Elibbren Coaxial Compression Toolkit. High precision hardness tool, steel material, which is light and convenient to carry, durable and has a long service life. Welcome to purchase them. Main features: Coax Cable Crimper, steel material, waterproof connection. Number 7. Wire Twisting Tools, wire stripper and twister wire terminals, power tools. The wire twisting tool can be attached to power drill. It has complete range of functions. When you are ready turning on the drill, you can complete the work smoothly. Main features: easy to operate, durable material. Number 6. WORKPRO 582-piece crimp terminals, wire connectors. Wide application for electrical insulation, wire bundling, color coding, mechanical protection, wire joints and repairs, etc. Spade terminals, butt connectors. Main features: wide application, easy and convenient, includes ring terminals. Number 5. Coax Cable Crimper Coaxial Compression Toolkit Wire Stripper. Premium quality connectors are designed to provide a professional, waterproof connection for RG6 coaxial cable. Anti-corrosion, nickel-plated. Main features: high impact material, adjustable and replaceable, the highest performing. Number 4. Wire cutter and stripper for 8 to 20 AWG solid and 10 to 22 AWG. Precision machine stripping holes easily remove insulation without damaging the wire. Tension-loaded wire grip gently holds the cable while retaining cable geometry. Main features: action squeezing motion, tension-loaded wire, wire stripper. Number 3. WGGE WG-015 Professional Crimping Tool / Multi-Tool Wire. It could be applied to crimping both insulated and non-insulated terminals. Strong gripping serrated nose for easy bending, shaping and pulling of wire. Main features: strong gripping serrated, high carbon alloy steel, 10 to 22 AWG solid copper wire. Number 2. DOWELL 10 to 22 AWG Wire Stripper Cutter Wire Stripping Tool. Simple one-handed motion, grabs, holds, pulls and removes outer jacket, makes clean cuts on wires. Handle is made material, comfortable hand feeling, ergonomically designed. Main features: simple operation, dowel handle, wire stripper. Number 1. IRWIN VISE-GRIP Wire Stripper Self-Adjusting. Each IRWIN hand tool is warranted to be free from defects in material and workmanship for the life of the tool. Strip wire from 10 to 24 AWG while swivel knob micro adjusts. Main features: lifetime guarantee, self-adjusting, adjustable stopper. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.